winter and a lot of snow. I am very happy to be here, and that is thanks to Winter Varmte event that took place in the city centre, and you are all warmly welcome to see me there tomorrow starting at 14:00, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I hope you have a very nice evening here, and I want to thank the Austin team. We have received 10 basketballs, all signed by the players, and we will give them to the schools together with tickets to the basketball games. This way we can support the schools and the students little, and of course making basketball more famous. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening.